Let's learn how you can delete invite message you sent to someone on Instagram. So I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device if you want, because method is same for every phone. A lot of people are blocking the person they sent invite message to, but that they did nothing. So if you block that person, it will delete a message only for you and not for them. So chat will stay for them and you will block them for nothing. What you can do is to go to your browser, Safari or Google, it doesn't matter. Just go to somewhere and log in into your Instagram account there. So right now I'm already logged in into my Safari, and once you're here, go to chats by clicking on this message icon, and it will open chat with every person you have, just like on the application. Now click on the chat with person you sent invite message to. I sent it to Lana Del Rey to show you the example how to delete it. And you can see my message hi and invite sent text. Now what you want to do is to just tap on this message, and you see that three dots appeared here. Click on them and you will see unsend red button in these three options. Just click it, new pop-up will appear. Just click once again unsend, and as you can see, message was